Hello friends, in this video let's try to solve a Spotify interview question in Scratch. Our aim is to find the songs that were in top position and display the track name and number of time it was in the top place. Then display it in a descending order. This is our table. It has artist, ID, position, region and streaming data in it. And to obtain our expected result using these three steps. First, by finding all the tracks that were in the first position and counting the number of times it was in the first and sorting it in a descending order. First, let's find all the tracks that were in the first place. For this, just give track name and in where condition give the position equal to 1. Once we run it, this will give all the tracks that were in the first place. To get the second question answered, we just need to count the number of days each track were in the first place. So let's use count function on the date field. Because we are using count function, we need to use a group by on the track name. Let's run the query. We got all the tracks and the number of times it were in the first place. Finally, we just need to order the track name in a descending order. And to do that, let's give order by statement. Track name. Let's see. Let's solve it. That's it. We solved our first question. Thank you. See you in the next exciting video.